What do you do if you're on a job site or laying out a room on paper and don't have a compass, but you have to make a circle? You can make the circle or figure out any radius with just a ruler or a tape measure. You start by marking a center point. In this case, I'm drawing a 4-inch diameter circle, which is a 2-inch radius. The radius is the measurement from the center of the circle to the edge. The diameter is the measurement from edge to edge, which is double the radius. Measure your distance and start making some marks. When you connect the marks, you'll see that they start to create a circle. You make more and more marks, and which makes the radius more and more round. And then eventually you just draw the outer edge by tracing all of your marks. You can use the same method on a job site for any scale with just a tape measure and basically a work pencil. I haven't drawn in the entire circle, but you get the idea. If you want to complete the circle, just keep going all the way around. Now let's look at how you do this when drawing a layout of an actual room. I have to position a 6-foot radius in the corner of this room, which will eventually hold a firebox and build a fireplace. My drawing scale is 4 foot per inch, so I measure 1.5 inches from the corner, which makes a 6-foot radius. And then I start making my marks. Eventually do the same thing on the job site with a tape measure when I go to build the fireplace. It's important skill to learn because radius work is done all the time if you're in construction, and you won't always be able to use a compass. Even on paper and on a job site, you would never use a compass. You'll have to learn how to do this with a tape measure in the field. So, but it's the same method whether you're doing it on paper or on an actual job site.